Your 1877 Floorguy Mop is going to come in a large box in 3 pieces. This is a commercial quality mop, so it's great to use at home or in a business. It's going to be durable and sturdy. So to assemble your mop, you're going to take the mop pole and the base. On the mop base, there's a little plug that you're going to pull out, and you're going to unscrew the shroud. We're actually going to take it all the way off and put it on the bottom of the mop handle. Makes it easier to assemble. Fit the mop handle into the base as such, and you're going to find the holes in the mop pole to line up. You want to put your plug back in place and then lower the shroud all the way down. The mop head pivots when you're mopping. That makes it easy to get into corners, and you can adjust your mop handle. Simply twist it to the left and then twist it to the right to tighten it up, and you're ready to go.